The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is renowned for its opulence and extravagant lifestyle, and this is exemplified by the presence of some of the world's most expensive supercars on its roads. Welcome to my channel. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Bugatti Chiron. The Bugatti Chiron is a hypercar that epitomizes automotive excellence, representing the pinnacle of engineering and performance. Manufactured by the renowned French luxury carmaker Bugatti, the Chiron is the successor to the legendary Bugatti Veyron. Unveiled in 2016, the Chiron boasts a striking design that seamlessly blends aerodynamics with aesthetic appeal. Under its sleek exterior lies an astonishing powertrain, a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine that delivers an awe-inspiring 1,500 horsepower. This immense power enables the Chiron to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 2.5 seconds, with a top speed electronically limited to 261 miles per hour. The interior of the Bugatti Chiron is a masterpiece of craftsmanship, featuring luxurious materials and cutting-edge technology. Limited in production, the Chiron is not merely a car, it is a symbol of automotive opulence and a testament to Bugatti's commitment to pushing the boundaries of speed and luxury. Pagani Huayra. The Pagani Huayra is an extraordinary hypercar that stands as a testament to the fusion of art and engineering in the realm of high-performance automobiles. Crafted by the Italian manufacturer Pagani, the Huayra represents a meticulous blend of aerodynamics, precision engineering, and artistic design. Named after Huayra, a Quechua wind god, the car embodies a philosophy of dynamic performance and beauty. Launched as the successor to the Pagani Zonda, the Huayra is powered by a bespoke 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine sourced from Mercedes-AMG, producing a staggering amount of horsepower. Its exterior design is a marvel of aerodynamic innovation, featuring active aerodynamic elements that dynamically adjust to enhance performance. The Huayra's interior is a symphony of luxury and bespoke craftsmanship, with meticulous attention to detail and the use of premium materials. Koenigsegg Jesko. The Koenigsegg Jesko stands as a pinnacle of automotive engineering and performance, crafted by the Swedish manufacturer Koenigsegg. Named after Jesko von Koenigsegg, the father of the company's founder, Christian von Koenigsegg, this hypercar is a testament to cutting-edge technology and uncompromising attention to detail. Unveiled as the successor to the Koenigsegg Agera RS, the Jesko is propelled by a twin-turbocharged 5.0-liter V8 engine that delivers an astonishing 1,603 horsepower on regular gasoline and an even more remarkable 1,838 horsepower on E85 biofuel. The engine is mated to a 9-speed Koenigsegg light-speed transmission, LST, which enables lightning-fast gear changes. Ferrari LaFerrari. The Ferrari LaFerrari, often simply referred to as La Ferrari, is an iconic hybrid hypercar that epitomizes the marriage of high-performance engineering and Italian automotive passion. Produced by the legendary Italian manufacturer Ferrari, the LaFerrari was unveiled in 2013 as the company's first hybrid production car. Powered by a potent hybrid system that combines a 6.3-liter V12 engine with an electric motor, the LaFerrari boasts a combined output of around 950 horsepower, resulting in exhilarating acceleration and top-notch performance. The car's sleek and aerodynamically refined design is a blend of form and function, incorporating cutting-edge materials to reduce weight and enhance performance. The interior is a perfect fusion of luxury and racing-inspired functionality, with advanced technology seamlessly integrated into a driver-centric cockpit. Lamborghini Centenario. The Lamborghini Centenario is a striking and limited edition hypercar created to commemorate the 100th birthday of the company's founder, Ferruccio Lamborghini. Unveiled in 2016, this masterpiece from the Italian automaker exemplifies cutting-edge design, advanced engineering, and extraordinary performance. With only 40 units produced, 20 coupes and 20 roadsters, the Centenario is an exclusive and highly sought-after collector's item. Powering this hypercar is a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine capable of unleashing a remarkable 770 horsepower, propelling the Centenario from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds with a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour. Aston Martin Valkyrie. The Aston Martin Valkyrie is a groundbreaking hypercar that embodies the epitome of performance and technological innovation. Born out of a collaboration between Aston Martin and Red Bull Racing, the Valkyrie pushes the boundaries of what's achievable in a road-legal car. Unveiled in 2016, this limited production hypercar showcases an aerodynamically advanced design characterized by a distinctive teardrop-shaped cockpit and an aggressive rear end. Powering the Valkyrie is a hybrid powertrain, featuring a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine developed by Cosworth and an electric motor, resulting in a combined power output of around 1,160 horsepower. The Valkyrie is a rare and highly coveted automotive gem, offering a unique blend of track-oriented performance and exclusive luxury. McLaren Speedtail. The McLaren Speedtail is a remarkable hypercar that stands as a testament to McLaren's commitment to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering and design. Introduced as the spiritual successor to the iconic McLaren F1, the Speedtail is a limited production hybrid Hyper GT that exemplifies aerodynamic excellence and cutting-edge technology. Unveiled in 2018, the Speedtail features a distinctive three-seat layout with a central driving position, reminiscent of the McLaren F1. The car is powered by a hybrid powertrain that combines a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with an electric motor, resulting in a combined power output of 1,055 horsepower. With a sleek and elongated body, the Speedtail boasts a top speed of 250 miles per hour, making it the fastest McLaren road car ever produced. Porsche 918 Spider. The Porsche 918 Spider is a groundbreaking plug-in hybrid hypercar that showcases Porsche's commitment to combining high-performance engineering with advanced hybrid technology. Introduced in 2013, this limited production masterpiece represents a triumphant blend of exhilarating performance and environmental consciousness. The 918 Spider is powered by a hybrid system that combines a 4.6-liter V8 engine with two electric motors, delivering a combined power output of 887 horsepower. This hypercar boasts impressive acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds and achieving a top speed of 214 miles per hour. What sets the 918 Spider apart is its ability to operate in pure electric mode for short distances, making it one of the first plug-in hybrid supercars. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. The Rolls-Royce Sweptail is a bespoke and truly one-of-a-kind luxury car that exemplifies the pinnacle of exclusivity and craftsmanship in the automotive world. Unveiled in 2017, the Sweptail is a custom creation commissioned by a Rolls-Royce patron who desired a unique and personalized automobile. This remarkable masterpiece took nearly 5 years to design and build, and it stands as one of the most expensive cars ever made. The design of the Sweptail is a marvel, featuring a distinctive and sweeping roofline that gives the car its name. The exterior is characterized by handcrafted aluminum bodywork, a distinctively large and panoramic glass roof, and a luxurious blend of modern and classic design elements. The interior is a showcase of opulence, with bespoke materials, intricate woodwork, and personalized details tailored to the owner's specifications. Bugatti Veyron. The Bugatti Veyron, a groundbreaking hypercar produced by the French luxury brand Bugatti, remains an icon in the automotive world. Introduced in 2005 and named after racing driver Pierre Veyron, this masterpiece was a marvel of engineering, redefining the limits of speed and performance. Powered by an 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, the Veyron generated an astonishing 1,001 horsepower, propelling it to a top speed of over 250 miles per hour, making it the fastest production car of its time. Its aerodynamic design, sleek lines, and attention to detail contributed not only to its performance but also to its aesthetic appeal. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.